Right, so I've come over here for a bit for an explore. I've been over here for a while. It's sort of back at Stanford, Butts Lane, which is there. Sinclair's just over that side, Sinclair's school. It's like heathland, sandy areas. So yeah, I've been over here for a while. It's maintained. I'm just going to have a wander around, see what we can see. It's sort of got these wild areas that are fenced off. I've been cutting the grass along here to hope there wasn't any wildflowers, which Florida Council known for cutting down wildflowers, especially this time of year. Yeah, let's go and have a little. Let's have a wander about, see what we can see. You've got these log piles scattered about, good for sort of stag beetles and lizards, maybe adders as well. This could be a good place for Dartford wobblers. I've never had any reports come from here, but yeah, look, it's the right habitat for them. Plenty of bird life actually. So if I've only been up here once, that was a while ago now. Just gonna have a wander through here. Yeah, this is the sort of habitat where you'll find sort of Dartford wobblers and the gorse. It's in full bloom at the moment. I wonder if there's enough here to sustain Dartford wobblers. It's a sort of, I think the sort of habitat you find these is sort of sandy areas as well. There's loads of it. There's some more gorse plants up here. Look. I keep forgetting this is right on my doorstep. And I keep meaning to come over and explore it more, but just you don't think about it really. It's maintained. I take it it's maintained by the council. I mean, this grass has just been cut. There's a guy finishing it off earlier as I turned up. Yeah, it's definitely worth coming over here again, I think. So yeah, there's plenty of gorse for bearded tits. for Dartford warblers to hide a nest. Some parts are quite thick. What do you reckon? Dartford warbler hotspot maybe? Reminds me a bit of can't think what the place is called now, where Colin the Cuckoo used to Thursley. It's not as sandy as Thursley, but there's certainly a good amount of gorse around. I'll have to look into that, see if there's any records of Dartford wobblers in this area. Yeah, if you know anything about this area, let me know in the comments below. There's gorse everywhere over there as well. I would have thought it's a good place for muntjac as well. We have got them in the area. I've got a few reports down in Linford, people's back gardens eating their bulbs. It's quite rich in bird life as well. So eventually this brings you out to Butts Lane. And there's another, I didn't know that, there's another public footpath over there, across the road. But I would recommend it though, because this road's a bit dodgy. It can be. Let's go back. Yeah. Well, I never. What public footpath is this? I'll have to find out. Because I wouldn't mind venturing further over. Well, that's the sand pit over there. You can't go in there because it's just a deep quarry. That's over there. Quarry works. Stingers in operation. Yeah, I'll have to check that. See where that footpath takes you. I've got a feeling I know where roughly it takes you. But, well, I never. Didn't know that. And then comes the rain. So that's going to walk back down this way. It's quite a nice walk actually. Plenty of bird life about. I say, look, gorse, there's gorse everywhere. It's a lovely open space. So I've been here once, all the years I've been living where I live in East Tilbury. I think that's a lake over there. Let's go and check that out. No, it's not a lake, it's just low level ground. So I think it's below the water table. Yeah, it's nice. Let's see what else we can find, eh? Just found this eggshell on the ground. I think maybe a blue tip or a great tip maybe. It's got sort of blue with dark spots on. Yeah, I think that's blue tip or a great tip. It's quite small. And somewhere there's fledglings around here somewhere. What I'll do, get up on Google Maps, I'll show you exactly where I am. It'll just be a screenshot. Yeah, it's a lovely, nice place to walk for a wander. I'll tell you what I haven't seen. any dog's mess, which is my pet hate. I should imagine it's good for adders as well when the sun comes out. So loads of bird life all over the place. I haven't got any shots for any birds, but I can just hear a lot of different bird song going on. Might be worth doing a early morning bird chorus over there actually. That could be interesting. Yeah, so that's right. So there's two paths. There's a path over that side as well, just beyond that fence. That's where I come up. Now walk in the other side. Yeah, there's loads more gawks over this side as well. Yeah, that's the other path just over there. So you can do a circuit. Yeah, it'd be interesting to find out if there has been dark warbler here or not. I've got a few birder friends, so I suppose I can always quiz them about it. So I've just had a kestrel just over there. It's quite far away, but it's hovering up in the sky. Couldn't get my camera settings quite right, but I managed to get some shots, so I'm hoping I could do something with my editing stuff on my laptop a bit later. Yeah, we stand there for a while. I hear chiff-chaffs. Just standing and listening really, see what I could hear. So I'm near this box bones, just there on the side. So yeah, I'll give it another 5-10 minutes, just have a listen, see what's on here. So I can hear chiff-chaff. So I'm just driving back up through Thameside Nature Reserve. I've just been photographing some rabbits back there for you to look at later. I thought I saw a couple of young rabbits, but a lot of people come along and feeding the ducks opposite it, and they done a runner. So yeah, I'm just have a little look around Thameside, see what I can see. There's a few pigeons at the moment flying across. That's about it really. Debating whether to go and try and get some photographs of my fox. Well, it's not my fox, but it's a fox I've been watching last year anyway. I started last year. So I was going to put some food out for him. I'll see what it's like on the way home. It had some rain a little while ago. I don't fancy laying out in the rain. And then we lay on the floor. I can get ground level shots of the fox. Yeah, so I'll see what it's like in a bit. We'll sit up here for a little while, have something to eat and a drink, go from there. So yeah, I'm going to sit up here in the car park, see if you might get stuff on a fence post, like I did the other week, the stone chats. So yeah, I'm going to sit back there again and just hang about for a bit. We're photographing this pair of crows. There's one there. Yeah, I'll take it they're a pair, male and female. I've been quite curious. I've been sitting in my car, one was just down there. One was in front of my car as well. Yeah, I think they're waiting for me. They got some scraps of food down there a little while ago, and they got some crows. The crows are eating. Yeah, I've never really got this close to crows. I'll tell you what, they're ugly faces. But they've got these massive beaks as well. Yeah, this is definitely a pair, because these have been together. So I'll be sitting down here. Yeah, they're quite a large bird as well. So I've never really got this close to them before. I've got a few shots anyway, so I'll put those up in the gallery for you to look at. He's still there, look, he's just sitting on that post.